episode.
Welcome.
It's DJ Cymphonic Music Studios.
Of course.
Yes, Mkuru, yes, of course.
Majorly.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Guys, today, it's not about too much things. It's all about, FL Studio tips and tricks and strategies and everything that's gonna be the helpful thingy in our life in order to pursue our dreams, because we can't make music without having any dream. Yes. So another thing, thank you to each and everyone who've already subscribed and always tuning in to the channel. We're still new, we're still growing. Thank you. But today we're on episode 10.
Dangerous.
We're going, we're still learning. Okay, let's go one time. Today, guys, I had this thing of Autotune. Some of my friends, or let me say my fans, they always say, Simfo, can you teach us how you control your Autotune? Right. Okay, let me let you hear or listen to this song of mine on how did I control the tune on this one.
When I had you in my life, I thought I had it all.
Okay,
Perfect.
nice and smooth. Okay, right. First of all, when I go to my Autotune, let me switch off the reverb, also the delay, right? Okay, so you're gonna hear this. Most of the time when I play around with the Autotune, I will just explain what I've already done here, guys, so it's gonna be easy, right? It's too simple. Okay, this is the Autotune I'm using. It's Autotune 8. So first of all, I normally just make sure the key is on point, the key of the song. So the artist that's singing is gonna be on the key, and the scale, you must make sure you know the scale, guys. It might be minor, it might be major, it might be chromatic or ling lung. We don't know. You know your your scale, right? Secondly, you need to make sure the type of the vocal. You must know if it's soprano or it's alto or tenor, or it's a low bass vocal,
Of course.
like low male vocal, right? Or maybe it's an instrumental. You know what you're busy with the tune. Mine is soprano. I've used soprano. Okay, here where the things start to happen on these two sections. This one, the green section right now with marked, and the red section. These are the two sections you must make sure you put more focus on. So I normally make sure when it comes to this section, I turn this section into 0. Each and every knob that's been upped or maybe used, I always turn it to 0. So I'm gonna get the texture that I'm looking for. The reason behind I'm turning this to 0, it's because I'm not in like to have a vocal that's having that vibration, sound, right? So I always turn this to 0, so to avoid that vibration sound on the vocal. So that's why I always turn these knobs into 0, because they always give that vibration sound. If a vocal is vibrating a little bit, it's gonna give an Autotune on top of that vibration. So I always turn it off to 0, all the knobs. To this side, to the pitch correction side, I always turn harmonics to 0 as well, and the correction style to 0 as well, and natural vibration to 0 as well. I might be wrong to someone else. I might be wrong. I might be right to someone else. But as I've said, we are using the tune in a different way.
Of course.
It's not, we can't use the tune in the same way, all of us, right? Yes, I turn them on, then I play around with the retune speed, so I'm gonna have that texture that I'm looking for, right? Okay, let's take this to full, like like this.
When I had you in my life.
You see, it sounds like a robotic text, so because it's too much. Then if I bring it to the number 28, where I've selected the spot for this vocal, it sounds a little bit natural. At the same time, you can hear the texture of the tune, right? Okay.
When I had you in my life.
Okay, perfect. The other thing that I normally play around is the pitch amount. The pitch amount must almost be the same with your reaching speed, so they're gonna almost work together. Do you feel me? This pitch amount is gonna give you the texture that you're looking for the vocal, a robotic texture, or maybe that smoothie level texture, right? So the reason why I put it on 27 is because my reaching speed is on 28, so I didn't want my pitch amount to be above on my reaching speed. I think you guys gonna understand this, right? So that's why my vocal, it's a little bit having a tune, but at the same time you can't hear the Autotune.
When I had you in my life, I thought I had it all.
Of which is giving a vocal that perfectionist. I don't know how, but I figured it out just like this, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Make me learn as well on how to use the tune on your side. I'm not saying this is the right way, but I'm sharing the way I'm using the tune, as some other people requested to make this episode for them. Right, thank you. Okay, another tip I'm here for you to give you,
Mr. DJ.
okay. Let's say, guys, you have already made your presets. If I'm talking about the preset, I'm talking about the plugins that you already added on your mixer rack, right? Okay, let's say you're having your compressor, then you have your Autotune, then you have your reverb on board, then you have your EQs all of a sudden, and you want to save this specific preset for the next time when you work, so your workflow will be easily and being shortened. Most of us, they don't save preset.
Oh my god.
Most of us, we don't save. We normally work. But this is another way to shorten your work. Whenever you're working, presets are there for you, for those specific artists you always work with on your studio. So the best way to make sure your things are in shorten, you just come here on your mixer, right? This is your mixer, and go to the specific channel that is having your preset that you already used. Then you're gonna say right click on your mixer and go to files. After going to files, you're gonna say save mixer track state. Then after saving, it's gonna bring you back to the folder where the presets of yours are being saved, right? Then you start to rename your preset, right? Then you save your preset, as simple as that.
Of course.
Let me say you want to drag it now, you want to use it, you can just simply say right click here on the channel and then go to files. You have to find it just right here. You have to find it just right here. Here is that preset that we already, you can just select that preset. It's gonna automatically come and be there each and every time when you work. You see, it's already there now. You can just use that preset. Yeah, as simple as that, guys. As simple as that. I hope you guys got help. I'm trying by all means, guys. This is not about what. It's all about love, just for those beginners of mine who always need that knowledge. Thank you, guys. Make sure you continue to subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you stick in as well. Call each and everyone who need this information. Thank you. Catch you to another